Leica Cine Compact 1, premium portable 4K laser projection in a compact design. Leica has expanded its premium home cinema portfolio with the launch of the Leica Cine Compact 1, a portable 4K laser projector designed to deliver the company's renowned optical expertise in a smaller and more versatile form factor. Positioned as a more affordable and portable alternative to Leica's larger home cinema solutions, the Cine Compact 1 combines premium imaging technology, smart streaming capabilities, and flexible installation options into a stylish aluminum chassis. With support for Dolby Vision, Triple RGB Laser illumination, Leica's proprietary image processing technologies, and projection sizes reaching up to 220 inches, the Cine Compact 1 aims to bring cinematic entertainment to virtually any room or even outdoor spaces. Design and build quality. The Leica Cine Compact 1 embraces the minimalist industrial design language for which Leica is known. The projector features a solid aluminum housing complemented by a glass front panel, giving it a premium appearance that stands apart from typical consumer projectors. Measuring just 209/226, 193 millimeters, and weighing approximately 4.4 kilograms. The projector is compact enough to move between rooms or transport to different locations. Leica also includes a protective transport case, making the projector particularly attractive for users seeking a portable premium cinema solution. The device is rated for more than 25,000 hours of laser life, ensuring years of operation. One of the standout features is the integrated 360-degree rotation system, allowing users to project onto walls, ceilings, or angled surfaces without complicated installation procedures. Automatic image adjustment, autofocus, keystone correction, and screen alignment further simplify setup. Stunning 4K laser projection. At the heart of the Cine Compact 1 is a 0.47-inch DLP imaging chip paired with a Leica Summicron zoom lens and a direct Triple RGB laser light source. The projector delivers 4K UHD resolution, 3,842,160, producing sharp and highly detailed images. Key display specifications include native 4K UHD resolution Triple RGB laser illumination up to 1,700 lumens brightness up to 1,500 to 1 contrast ratio more than 100% BT 2020 color coverage Dolby Vision support HDR10 HDR10 Plus and LG compatibility Leica image optimization Leo technology MEMC motion enhancement. Leica's proprietary image optimization processing enhances color accuracy, contrast, and detail reproduction, while the Summicron lens ensures exceptional sharpness across the entire projected image. The combination of Leica optics and laser illumination delivers vibrant colors and excellent image consistency. Massive screen sizes. The projector supports image sizes ranging from 60 inches to an impressive 220 inches. Whether used in a living room, bedroom, media room, or outdoor entertainment setup, users can scale the viewing experience according to their environment. The optical throw ratio of 1.0 to 1.3 provides flexibility in placement while maintaining image quality. A digital throw ratio extending up to 3.2 further expands installation possibilities. Gaming performance. The Cine Compact 1 is not just designed for movies and streaming content. Leica has also included features aimed at gamers. Input lag below 20 milliseconds in gamer mode. 4K gaming at 60 Hz. 2K gaming at 120 Hz. 2K gaming at 240 Hz refresh rates. These specifications make the projector suitable for console and PC gaming while maintaining the immersive benefits of a large screen experience. Smart TV features. The projector includes an integrated smart TV platform that provides direct access to major streaming services. Depending on the regional version, users receive either Google TV or VIDAA smart operating systems. Available features include Netflix Prime Video Disney Plus YouTube voice assistant support screen mirroring Apple AirPlay compatibility OTA software updates smart home integration. This eliminates the need for an external streaming device for most users. Audio performance audio is handled by an integrated stereo speaker system delivering *dual 10W speakers * Dolby Digital support * Dolby Digital Plus compatibility *DTS virtual X processing * 2.0 channel audio system. While dedicated home theater enthusiasts may still prefer an external sound system, the built-in speakers are designed to provide a complete entertainment experience out of the box. Connectivity: the Leica Cine Compact 1 includes modern connectivity options, *HDMI 2.1 with EARC support *, USB 3.0 port *, Wi-Fi 6 *, Bluetooth 5.4, Apple AirPlay *, wireless screen mirroring. These features ensure compatibility with gaming consoles, streaming devices, laptops, smartphones, and home audio systems. Specifications at a glance: resolution 4Ku HD 3840x2160. Display technology: DLP 0.47-inch Pico DMD, light source. Triple RGB laser, brightness up to 1700 lumens. Contrast ratio up to 1500 to 1. HDR formats: Dolby Vision, HDR10, HDR10+, HLG. Screen size: 60 to 220 inches. Gaming latency: under 20 ms. Refresh rate: up to 240 Hz. Audio: 2 × 10W speakers, wireless, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4. Operating system: Google TV, Vida. Weight: 4.4 kilograms. Laser life: 25,000 plus hours. Price and availability. The Leica Cine Compact 1 was officially announced in June 2026 as the newest addition to Leica's smart projection lineup. According to early retail listings and industry reports, the projector is expected to be priced at approximately £1,450 in the UK positioning it below Leica's flagship Cine 1 and Cine Play 1 models while maintaining premium Leica optics and design. Availability has begun through Leica stores and authorized retailers in selected global markets.